Assalamualaikum, peace be upon you. Our topic is about the superiority of Prophet Muhammad, the first one. Prophet Muhammad is the seal of all prophets and messengers. To him was completed the revelation of decree, governance, religion, all kinds of science, and philosophy. And to him also was completed the religion of truth, Islam, with guidance, the Qurans, that he make prevail all over religion, even though the unbelievers may detest it. Islam is the religion of all prophets and messengers, and the greatest of them are Noah, Abraham, Moses, Jesus Christ, son of Mary, and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. May the peace and blessings of Allah be upon them all. Until the next, may Allah guide you to the right knowledge in Islam. Once again, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon you, ang the mercy of Allah and His blessings.